Hey, now that you've seen a little bit of the documentation on installation and programming of an oil water separator, I'm going to give you a little visual representation of what we've done. At first here, you'll see that this is my test setup, and this is a representation of a probe of what you would see in the field. You would certainly not have set screws on your floats. Okay, I have these set at a particular point so that I can show you the visualization. Okay, at this particular moment I have my system set up as if it was running fine and smooth, no problems. The fluid in the tank, basically because of gravity feed, is at the same level as the invert pipe. In this particular case it's roughly 14 inches. Okay, so what will happen is if for some reason the invert pipe gets clogged or backed up, right, the overall level will start to rise. And once it gets it above my alarm point, it will trigger my high liquid alarm. And you can see in the representation, the volume looks to be above the pipe. Conversely, if the water level is being pumped out and the fluid actually drops below the height of the invert pipe, I will get the low liquid alarm. And my visual representation shows that it looks to be below the invert pipe. Now I'm going to bring it back up to a normal level. Okay, so I'm in a normal level range now, and what would happen is now as oil starts to introduce and starts to build up in the tank, as your bottom float goes down because it's separating, we'll see that the height of the oil is increasing. And once that oil reaches your high oil point, you will trigger an alarm. If that oil level continues to increase, you will get the high oil alarm. The last alarm to review is what they call the low water alarm, and the low water alarm could be caused by two different functions. If the oil level were to continue to increase, where it's getting close to the bottom of the tank, you get a low water alarm. This would be an important troubleshooting factor because of the fact that you can see it's being caused by a high amount of oil. The other way that you could get a low water alarm is that if for some reason the tank is being completely emptied or has a hole and both floats sink, you still would have your low liquid alarm, but now you see that the problem is caused by just overall low fluid. This completes the demonstration on the oil water separator.